Hello, welcome to, this is our first lesson with a recorder. There's going to be 4 of these, so you can continue on and do all 4. Or if you already feel like you're really good with the intro one, then you skip that, go to the next ones. If I was at a school, this would be like a 3rd grade, would probably start with this one. And then we'd move up to 4th, 5th, and 6th. Just going to do a couple songs on each one, and that's plenty. We're going to learn some different notes. So first of all, this is a recorder. Take your recorder if you have it. Couple rules about playing the recorder. It's a very user-friendly instrument, except if you try to play loud, it screeches at you. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We don't want to hear that sound. Nobody wants to hear that sound. And it just happens when you put too much air into the recorder. So only put a little bit of the recorder in your mouth. See, I'm only putting the tip of it into my mouth, and that helps you not get too much air. And then don't blow too much air into it. Just chill out. Don't do a lot. When you play the recorder, you always have your left hand. This is my left hand up on the top part. Your right hand goes on the bottom part. Now, for the first songs we're going to do, you're not going to need your right hand. So just have your right hand kind of supporting the recorder. For me, I do it like this. I have pretty big hands, but my thumbs are kind of lined up in the back. Your left hand is going to cover, so you have like the first finger over there could cover that hole, second finger on that one, and third on that one. We're going to start out only covering the first hole. This note is called B. Okay, it's the easiest note to play. You only use one finger. Oh, and you also use your thumb on the back. Your thumb covers that hole in the back. Your right hand isn't covering any holes, it's just supporting the recorder. You want the recorder to be at this angle. We call that a 45-degree angle. Not like this, but like that. Okay? And you have just a little bit in your mouth. When you play, you're gonna it's like you're saying the word toot. So you start a note with t, and you end a note with t, with your tongue saying that. So it's now I was doing it too much actually. I just put my tongue back on the tip and that stops the note. If you don't do that, it sounds like this. You get that little trail off on the note. And that's not a good thing because sometimes you need to go faster. So you need that precision. So get in the habit of putting your tongue back there instead of just stopping the air going through there. All right, so this note is B. We're going to play B together. We're going to play it 4 times. Only 4, not 5 or 6. Okay, I always count before we play so you'll know when to start. I'm going to go 1, 2, ready, play. Now stop. Good. Hopefully you stopped after 4. Sometimes people like to keep going. Look, at your home, you can play a lot of notes when we're done, but right now just follow along with me and try to do what I'm doing. All right, do it again 4 times. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. So that's B. That's the first note. Now, if we put 2 fingers and our thumb, this is called A. Okay? So that was B. This is A. We're gonna learn A now. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. In just a little bit, we're going to look at the music that would show you what a B looks like. B is on the 3rd line of the staff. A is on the 2nd space. And then we have one more note, it's G. And G is on the 2nd line of the staff. The staff is the 5 lines that music's written on. All right, so this is the G, 3 fingers and your thumb. Your right hand is just holding up the recorder. Let's do G 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Really good. Okay, so we've got that. Do that again. The G 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. So those are the notes we're going to use today. B, A, and G. And remember, this is my left hand. B, A, G. So your left hand is the one most people wear their watch on. So good. So let's do B, A, and G one more time. That's the way this song starts. We're going to start with a song called Hot Cross Buns. Let me show you how the song goes, and then we're going to play it together. And I'll show you the music. But first, just watch me play it and listen to it so you know how it goes. It goes like this. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, very simple song, but it sounds nice, it's fun to play. We've got some faster notes, some slower notes. Those faster notes are called eighth notes. Da, 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 da. So like that. All right, now look at the music and see if you can play along with me. We're going to go really slow. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. How'd you do? Did you miss some notes? It's normal. It's normal to get lost or miss notes because you'll be playing one note and you'll forget how to get to the next note. So then by the time you remember and think of it, the song has moved on. That's how music goes. You have to think ahead a little bit, and practice helps. So if you got some of the notes, see if you can get more notes next time you play it. With this video, you can stop it. You can go back and play it again. That's why I'm doing this, and this should help you a lot. Okay, this time we're going to play it again. You play with me, but I'm going to add some music to it, and it should sound better. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Good. Okay, good. Now we're going to do this song one more time. This time, you're not going to be able to see the names of the notes. So you have to use your memory and look at where the notes are written on the music. You got to be learning this because eventually they won't tell you the names of the notes. You just have to know what they are. So let's try it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. All right. I think you guys are doing great. Let's look at another song. Now this song is going to use those same 3 notes, but it goes in a different order. So that's what makes music interesting. You know, it goes different. If it was all the same, it'd be really boring. This one's called Gently Sweep, or Suo Gan, was a Welsh lullaby or something. But it starts on the G. It's going to go G, A, B. So just backwards from what we just did. Watch me play it and listen. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. Good. Now you should have noticed that I did the same thing twice. I went through the whole song twice. So once you learn it, once you know it, it's very easy. You're just repeating. All right. So once again, I want you to play with me. I'm going to show you the music. You guys play along with the music and with me. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. You're doing better. Again, if you got lost, don't worry about it. Just try to do more next time you play it. Try to play more notes. Okay, let's do it again. This time, you're not going to be able to see the notes, right? I'm just gonna take the notes away, but you'll see the music. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. take the notes away. I just took away the names of the notes on that one. So these are really good to practice. Just so you've got hot cross buns, you've got gently sleep. Let's look at one more. This one is called Sailor, Sailor on the Sea. This one's different because the rhythm is different. It's got the songs are, it's got a 3 rhythm. So it's gonna go bum 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 1 2 3 1 2 3. If we were dancing, it would be a waltz. We're not gonna dance, so we're just gonna play the recorder. All right, so listen. You know the deal by now. Listen to how it goes and watch me play it. Okay? Okay, we're using the same 3 notes. You notice I did the whole thing twice, just like we did on the last song. Pretty easy song. It's got a nice sound to it, nice melody. So this time I want you to play with me. We'll have a little extra music. This should sound better. Look at the music and play along. Ready? 1 2 3 1. Ready? Play. Okay, nice. As I keep telling you, if you're getting lost, don't worry about it. Just get as many notes as you can, but try to play it again. The more you practice, the better you'll get. All right, now we're going to do it one more time. This time I'll show you the music, but not the names of the notes. Okay, we'll play it together. Should sound a little bit better. All right, let's try it. 1 2 3 1. Ready, go. So that's all the songs we're going to learn on this lesson. That's a lot. There's a lot of songs. If you only learn hot cross buns this time, that's fine. But keep practicing, see if you can learn the other 2. And if you get through all of them, then check out the next lesson in the series. All right. I'm so glad you guys are watching this. Thank you so much. Please, since you're on my YouTube channel, would you go look down there, subscribe, and share it with other people so that they can also learn. If they want to, but I have a lot of videos on there that can help people learn different things, a lot of music. So hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next lesson. All right, thanks.